What is going on, everybody? Today we are going to be doing some striper fishing. Surprise, surprise. If you guys haven't noticed, I have been striper fishing a lot lately, and it'd be kind of hard not to notice it, but it's addicting. It is a very, very addicting style of fishing. Throwing the big baits. You could throw the big baits for largemouth bass and smallmouth bass and any type of bass, but the striper thing is just completely different. It's a whole other experience, and it's been really fun getting to do it this year and being fairly successful at it. So today we are going on the river again and fishing with a guy named Nicholas Stepp. Some of you might know him by The Evolving Angler. He's got a podcast. Y'all should go check it out if you don't know of it already. And yeah, we're gonna be doing some fishing today. So today we are doing the afternoon, and mainly because of the generation. If y'all follow striper, if any of you are like serious striper fishermen and you fish the rivers, a lot of it depends on the generation schedule. And today from 1 to 8 p.m. it's going to be 2 generators or more at this particular river. So thinking it's going to be really good. Going to try the afternoon bite and see what happens. Probably going to be throwing the depths 250, throwing a different color today, but yeah, we're going to get down there, see what happens, try to get us both on some fish and have a good time. So stay tuned. We'll catch you guys at the water.
That's a good smallmouth, dude. That's a good smallmouth. All right, hold on, babe. I'll call you right back. I'll call you right back.
That's a good smallmouth.
Yeah, yeah, might as well net it.
Or 18 maybe?
I don't think it's that big, but it's pretty good.
I don't know, man. Place your bet. That's a good one.
Oh my gosh, dude. That is freaking awesome.
Yeah, that's 18.
Holy crap.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah, dude, here,
Unless you want to put him in the water.
Yeah, he's fine. Just, oh my gosh. Get his
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
That's a good one.
It's a good fish, man. That is a good fish. On the dark sleeper.
See, I've never used those.
Dude, they're a fun bait to use. It's like a jig. You think that's 18?
Yeah.
I'd say every bit of 17.
Yeah.
I got that hog trough.
I'll bet 25 on it. Somebody's betting.
Oh, right at 18, dude.
You know what I mean?
Right at 18 inches. That's awesome.
God, what a tank. Let me get a picture.
That's a good fish.
That looks really small like that. It really does. It looks like a minnow. Oh yeah, dude. That's
Heck
awesome.
yeah, man. Good smallmouth. Start off the day. Here you go, buddy. Yeah, I was like, I don't think we need to net it, but might as well.
Good
That's
fish.
Awesome, dude.
Good fish.
I just called my girlfriend. She called me. I called her back. And then that happened. Oh yeah.
Another one?
Yeah, another good one. Another good one, dude.
Look at that.
Oh my gosh. That's crazy.
I'm gonna ask if you need the net again.
Oh yeah, this one's good too. This one's really nice. This one might be bigger.
You would have just come net, didn't you?
Golly. Yeah, it's about the same. Well, he's a little bit smaller actually. But it's a good fish.
14, 15. That's 15. That's 15.
Dude. This is awesome. They're sitting up there. I gotta get you. I gotta let you get on them, man. What the heck?
I'm having fun. Sorry, I just don't want to get a net in the lure.
Oh, you're good.
Pull it out of his mouth.
There you go. There we go, man. That one's a little chunkier.
I gotta get me a couple.
Yeah, that one's a little chunkier.
Yeah.
Heck yeah.
Say,
Look at that.
say 14
That one's,
and a half, 15.
yeah, that one's 15 inches all day long. Man, they are crushing this dark sleeper too. Man, hey, look at this little chunky belly.
Yep.
Got something coming out of his butt there. I don't know why I just tried to pull that out of his butt. Anyway, another good little fish.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. All right. Probably would be throwing this on the other Dobbins spinning rod that I've got on my boat, but this is actually pretty fun to, huh? Oh, dude. What the heck? Dude, I'm telling you. Something just took it up underneath something. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, I don't know if it's still on. All right. I don't know if we're going to be able to get much further, but I'm going to try. Yep, this is it. This is about it. Which, if you want to get up here on the front of my boat and cast, you can. Because I'm thinking there's going to be a couple that are going to come from this little hole up here. Oh. Oh. Is that him? It looked like I set the hook. Yeah. Okay, well. Okay. All right. Okay, yeah, just let me know. Okay. All right, just let me know. All right, bye. All right. Dealing with a couple things, obviously. But,
You need to go?
No. I ain't going. I mean, I can at this point. I'm on the river, dude. You ain't getting me off the river. There we go.
Got him?
Yeah.
Looks like a good one.
It looks like a good one, yeah. It might be a drum or something. No, it's a smallmouth. Dude, this is so much fun. I'm having a blast. Whew. All right.
Dude, slaying them.
Yeah, smallmouth. Oh, golly. All right, buddy. All right, calm down. Some of them are skinny, which I don't understand because, man, there's a lot of forage up here. There is a lot of forage up here. Big schools of shad. Obviously, a smallmouth that size can't really choke a 4-inch, 5-inch shad. I'm sure they try. They are annihilating this dark sleeper. It's getting kind of beat up, but I'm gonna keep fishing it until it falls apart on me. So, can't remember this color, but kind of like a little goby color. And yeah, they're annihilating it. So we're gonna keep fishing it and try to catch a big one. There's some big smallmouth in this creek, especially right here by the mouth. I said especially right here by the mouth. Just got smoked. Come on, hit it again.
Small. Got the tail.
Yeah, right behind this rock right here, man. Oh my goodness. Right there behind that rock, dude.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, right there behind that rock.
What kind of bird is that over there? I know you're fighting a fish.
Hold on. Where are we talking? Oh, it's just buzzards. Good Lord, man. I swear that's the same fish. Heck yes, this is so much fun. Oh my gosh.
Killing. I need to get a couple of them.
Dude, I've got some more if you want to use one. No, seriously, I don't care. I was actually retrieving it that time. Every other fish I've caught today has been, they just been sucking it right off the bottom. I was kind of retrieving that one. Oh, dude, they are freaking slamming this thing. This is crazy. You know what time it is. Alrighty. Throwing the Dobbins 867 mag. I've been bouncing back and forth between the 908 and the 867 to throw this 250. 908 definitely throws it a lot easier, but I think I kind of enjoy fishing it more on the 867. So we'll throw it for a little while, and I get tired of it, I'll probably start throwing it on the 908 again. But 25-pound fluorocarbon. I've been fishing 30-pound mono, but we'll see what happens. Golly, this bait looks awesome in the water.
Sexy.
I love this color. This is a new color. It's Butch Brown American Shad. Whoo, man. Look at that bait. I can't believe how fast the current's moving through here. I'd love to have a boat like that, honestly. It is cooking. I mean, you could absolutely still catch a fish in here.
Oh yeah.
Obviously. Right. It's not like I don't think we could catch something, but it just sucks because you can't really see them.
Alrighty, guys, that is gonna be it. Unfortunately, we did not catch any more fish other than those smallmouth at the beginning. I think Nick caught a couple, but yeah, it was supposed to be a striper float. We were gonna go up. We went up the river several miles and fished in that creek. That's where all those smallmouth came from. And then we started to float down. I figured an afternoon float would have been better for this day because of the fact that there was two or more generators flowing or releasing. So basically, when we have been doing the striper floats out there, it's been around, you know, 2,000 to 3,500 as in the average hourly discharge. So when you look at a generation release schedule, usually it'll tell you the time that they are releasing water. It can be 0, it could be 1, it could be 2 or more, but generally you want at least one generator going. Now the average hourly discharge can go, you know, it can be anywhere from, you know, 1,500 to 4,000. And this particular day, it was flowing at over 12,000. So it says discharges are in cubic feet per second and are reported at the end of the hour. So all these days that I've been going, it's been around 3,500, and on this particular day, it was over 12,000. So it made it kind of hard to striper fish, and so unfortunately we didn't get any. But me and Nick definitely plan on going out there again and doing that. You know, catching those smallmouths, obviously a blast too. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Probably won't have a striper video out for a while now. I've got some creek videos coming, and hopefully you guys will like those. But in the meantime, thank you guys for watching. And obviously all those fish today came on the Mega Bass Dark Sleeper. That was the smallest size they make in the Dark Sleeper. I think it's 2 inches, and throw in the 3/8 ounce version in that little goby color. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.